every few days as the country's health system buckles amidst the world's worst outbreak. One consequence of the crisis is that many children have lost their parents, leaving them to fend for themselves. Valerie DeKemp has more.
The ambulances come and go constantly, bringing in patients and leaving with dead bodies, while grieving families wait outside in vain.
He was 35 years old and has 2 young children. He passed away this morning. His children are very young, and his wife is barely 30 years old. May no one face such a tragedy ever.
Old and young, the death toll continues to rise. Across the country, there are now concerns that the crisis is leading to a generation of pandemic orphans. The country's underfunded child services are struggling to cope. The relatives of children who have lost their parents are either too ill to care for them or have died. The stigma of COVID-19 can be devastating.
A newborn lost both her parents and grandparents on the father's side due to COVID. The baby was positive too, but survived. The grandparents from the mother's side have reportedly reluctantly taken her with them after the police insisted.
Stories of children having to fend for themselves have spread on social media, as well as pleas for help. But authorities are now warning that certain messages online are fake and potentially dangerous. UNICEF says they are tracking illegal adoptions, prompting fears of child exploitation.
And we do see that there is a lot of trafficking of children, which is reported. Children go missing. Those systems are beginning to pick up on numbers.
Authorities in New Delhi have asked the police to investigate several cases, while in the state of Karnataka, an official has been appointed to identify children who have been abandoned.